Good bloody goon afternoon. Out for another one. I'm out here with Pip this time. Out with the camper, staying at Cobbler's Pool. As everybody knows, this is the halfway mark for the Avon descent, so this is where they all hang out. I'm the only one here for now. There was a few other people here. Pip! Pippa! Pip! Pippa! There was a few other campers here, but they've all moved on. It's just after lunch now, that's why it's good bloody goon afternoon. Yeah, here for 2 nights. Just gonna chill out. It's very peaceful, very relaxing. The weather hasn't been too bad today or tomorrow and today's Friday. End of July. The place is a little bit waterlogged. I've gone skiing a few times in my little Ugg boots there. Ground's pretty slippery. But other than that, it's not too bad. Pippa, come on. Yeah, it's a nice place. Got a pretty good flat ground camp. Most of the sites around here are pretty flat and level. Might need to chock it here and there if you get further up. I was actually trying to get further up, but there was someone else there now, and I'm not going to back up and restart, so I'm here where I am. Yeah, a bit overcast today. Rained on the way here, and most of the time while setting up, and of course once I finally got my fire going, she stopped. Well, that's how it is. What are you doing, my gal? Hey? So anyway, yeah, next 2 nights I'm here. A few drinks, a couple of cook-ups, and just chilling really. I'm not going to go anywhere, not going to visit anything. Just going to hang out. Pip, come on this way. You cheeky girl, come here, come on. Hey, come on. Good recall. Yeah, so camp's all set up. I'm gonna pull that lackey down. Got my fire going. Bought a chair for Pip, but she's, I don't know, undecided whether she wants to use it or not. Anyway, this is camp. I won't get the drone up today, too cloudy, so I'll try and do it tomorrow if it clears up. So looking forward to that. Get some river shots. And yeah, I'm gonna sit back and do nothing now. I'll find my dog first. Hey, you, come over here. Come on, you, cheeky thing. Oh, I just sneak around the corner then. How are we going? So, Cobbler's Pool. It's pretty bloody nice right now. Dinner tonight. Pip! Pippa, I can see your shadow. What are you doing? Got some baked potatoes, and they've got the duck oil infused sort of scenario going on. And I've got some, I need to read this. Oh, what are they? They're a prawn fish cake with salmon and prawns with a Thai green curry. They're quite warm. They're very nice. They're from Aldi. I reckon I've had a few of those. So with those, my potatoes, I'll do some, I'll add the potatoes. Oh. This is a choice knife set. that I got from Kitchen Warehouse, and it's that they are super sharp, super sharp. I've got a set for the caravan as well. I was going to cut quarters, and I'll throw those in so they can bake with the potatoes. And then just on the side, I'll just do some coleslaw. Easy meal. Oop. Stay there. You can go on the fire. I'll pick you up in a sec. So super sharp because Andy's had a few drinks today, so I'm just going to quarter those, and I'll throw those on top, and they can sit in there. And then later on, I'll add my pâtés, my prawn and salmon pâtés. Oh, better go find my dog. Hang on. I'll dish this super awesome meal up because it smells so good. Get rid of that. Got a par-bait roll. That's pretty crunchy. These are the Thai curry patties. Oh, how many of this? These are super awesome. These are actually from Aldi, so they're cheap and nasty, but they're awesome. Become a bit of a favourite of mine. I'll get to that. And now, my baked potatoes and onion. Dropping it everywhere. These are the duck oil ones. These are really good. And then I'll splash some. I've got coleslaw for the side tonight. Not really doing it well, am I? That's right. It's all good. Alright. That's plenty anyway. So stash in, put them, put the lid back on. That's all off. And yum yum yum. And I'll just put some dressing on the side. Oh, my par-bait roll. And I'll what have I got over there? A bit of a coleslaw. I'll chuck that on the side, and that'll be me. Oh, good. Turned out to be a really nice day. Check this out. The sun's up, Bloody Mary's out, and I'm cooking brunch. bloody goon evening. Just doing dinner. This is my last night. I've got some pork fillets, some duck oiled potatoes, baked potatoes, some onion. I'm going to chuck a bake roll in there, and a bit of what's it called? Coleslaw. I think you're hurting me. Had an awesome day today. Super excited. I was sitting back watching the old bush telly, watching the river, and I saw a green Nissan Patrol chugging into the campground, and I thought, fuck, I know that car. It was Matt from West Australian Off-Road. Awesome to say g'day, catch up, have a yarn. Appreciate your time, Matt. Felt like a little bit of a kid actually, seeing a superstar, fellow YouTuber. Anyway, I'll give you a look at the dinner when it's done, when she's played it up. All good. Ding, just like that, dinner's done. Pork, potatoes, bake rolls, onions, and I'll chuck some coleslaw on the side. Awesome. Leaving tomorrow. Well, that's it for another one. Cobbler's Pool. It's pretty good. I enjoyed myself. I love the trains. Still my final checks. Campground got pretty busy in the end. Yesterday they all come in and it was pretty much full. Not encroaching too much on anybody's space, but it was evenly set out. It's pretty good. Heading home now. Hopefully I got some worthy footage. Alright, cheers for watching.